Open house is the opportunity for families, students, educators to get an understanding of what's unique about the Charleston Life program. How are we integrated into the College of Charleston campus, and is this a good fit for not only my student but my family?
It's an opportunity for families that are interested in the program and the students to come to learn about the program, to get to meet the individuals that work with us, and then to get a tour of the campus to find out if it's a good fit for them.
See the areas that we're in, academics, internships, independent living, and the social components.
I think a lot of people feel a little bit nervous. There's a little bit of that anticipation of, is this going to be what we think it's going to be? But as a program, we're excited to show us off. We have a lot of pride in what we do.
We have people that come from all over, in-state as well as across the country, just to hear people's stories, get to talk to them a little bit, and just get to find out really who they are as people. Really kind of fuels what we do.
It's exciting. We're meeting families, we're meeting students at different phases in their life, figuring out what do I want to do after high school.
We believe in what we do, and so we're excited to show it off and say, hey, we might be a good fit for you.
Charleston's a really unique location. We're a really unique program, and to really get a feel for what it's about, come down and see us.